Namaskar. Today we are going to do Lagna Chauk in Warli Art Style. Yes, for this we need a paper, pencil, ruler, and later on when we will paint it on the dark background, we need white and black paint, and we can do the background of our choice. Traditionally, background is always red color, dark red mud color. So let's start. So we need a white paper, we need a ruler, eraser, pencil. We'll also use the compass, and right now I'll teach you with the micro tip pen. Later on we will transfer this drawing to the desired surface where we are going to draw. It can be a canvas, it can be a white sheet which is covered with this color, this kind of red color or dark red color. It can be MDF board, anything. If you want to make contemporary, then you can give 2-3 color background and then you can start that. So let's start. First step is to draw the outline. I am leaving 1 centimeter gap on all the 4 sides. This will be useful for our framing. Roughly 1 centimeter, because framer will need this much space. So first step, everybody draw this border. Now in border, we can draw any Warli art design. I'm drawing a common design which everybody knows. So mark 1 centimeter. In Warli art, it's mostly triangles, lines. Those things are very important in Warli art. I'm drawing blocks 1 centimeter. The advantage of doing on the rough paper is that we will do all erasing work on this, and our final sheet we will transfer everything. Now in each block we are going to draw a 4-petal flower. So this is the border design which will be there on all the 4 sides. I am going to paint on this wooden plate, MDF plate. So I will draw the border here for you. So if you will mark 1 centimeter, then size of each flower will be same. So this kind of design will appear. I wanted to make a contemporary piece. Traditional will be only this color, red color. Actually, walls are coated with cow dung and mud, and then painting is done on those walls. So that kind of color should be there. Or sometime they put the geru. It's a type of rock. Okay, before we draw further, I will teach you how to paint this. Why I'm doing now, because in the meantime it will be dry. Okay, then we can paint again on this. So this is white color paint. So I'm starting from one corner. Please look at my hand. We'll put the tip of the brush here and it's fade. See here, just the tip. Your paint should not be very watery if you are doing on the canvas or on the board. Mine is a board, MDF board. So my paint is little thick. Like this, our border will come. Now I will teach you another thing. So now in the center of your page, you make a square of 9 centimeter. In this square, we will make another square, but only its width, next line width is only 1 or 2 millimeter. We are basically doing the double line. Our square with double line is ready. Now in this, after half millimeter, we are drawing another line. Another double line after half millimeter and another double line after next half millimeter. Same thing we are going to do on this side. Now this side. So you all can see this is our square ready. Please see carefully. 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2. This is the pattern. Now from this last line till this one's first line, we'll draw a circle. You can draw freehand or you can draw with any lid or with any other round object you can use, or you can use the compass. Now, please find out the midpoint of your baseline, that will be 4.5, and from the base around 13 centimeter mark a dot. 13 centimeter from this point. Again, we are going to draw one more rectangle here. Mine is 3.5. On the top, we'll make two birds sit. So this is Warli bird. Now this is our center part. We'll make a face of a lady with 5 lines. And each will have 6 lines. Inside you can show one more triangle. Here you can show a sun. Here we show a moon. Here we show a comb. They always show a comb. And here we'll show a ladder. The rest of the design we can fill as we want. Slanting lines or triangles, small triangles inside the triangles, anything, whatever you like, you can fill it. Double lines are also very popular. This is our basic design. Here also we are drawing triangles, and inside we are drawing double lines. Make sure your slanting lines direction changes according to each circle. If one direction it is turning towards left, then other circle it should be towards right. Now here also we can do lots of designing. We can show lots of characters all over, and we'll show the temple entrance here and people go entering the temple. We make a Z and then fill both the sides of Z. Some people coming, some going. One old lady sitting here. So sitting means her feet will be like this. One hand and other hand. You can show some men sitting here, slanting. I'm showing one lady here, bigular, another woman. One lady carrying the wood on her head. We can show an animal here. We can show two ladies grinding the rice here. They are grinding so their body is tilted. All day-to-day activities are shown in Warli art. Somebody carrying the water. Somebody playing the drum. Like this, you can fill the space. You can show some birds flying in the air. Here, we can show some slanting lines. Two birds flying. Now let me start painting. I'm going to use a 000 number brush. I'll go from up to down. So this is our main Lagna Chauk. Okay, and we can do infinite things in this. There's no end. Birds are also optional. Like I can make them sit here. If you want, you show all the scenes what I have taught just now. If you don't want, don't show. This much is enough for your painting. You can use the toothpick to make the dots. If you don't have dotting tools, don't worry. Even broomsticks, coconut broomsticks is very good to make the dots. With this, our painting is complete. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and sharing the information about my YouTube channel Vandana's Art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.